Braggadocio is a noun that refers to boastful or arrogant behavior, often exaggerated and empty in nature. It can also describe a person who engages in such behavior. Origins: the term originates from the English poet Edmund Spenser's The Fairy Queen, 1590, where Braggadocio is a boastful, cowardly character. It was later adopted into general usage to signify empty boasting or braggarts. Explanation and usage: Braggadocio conveys the idea of exaggerated self-praise or bravado that lacks genuine substance or merit. It is often used to mock or criticize pretentiousness. Example sentences: his stories were full of braggadocio, but no one could verify his accomplishments. The politician's braggadocio about his achievements came off as insincere. First, cultural significance. The word is frequently used in discussions about public figures, particularly in politics or entertainment, to critique boastful behavior. It reflects a timeless human tendency to overstate abilities or successes for attention or influence. Synonyms: boastfulness, prideful self-praise; swagger, confident, often arrogant; demeanor, bluster, loud, boastful, or aggressive talk. Antonyms: modesty, humility or lack of arrogance; humility, a modest view of one's importance; sincerity, genuine and honest expression. Key takeaway: Braggadocio captures the idea of boastfulness without substance, often used to describe arrogance that is exaggerated or self-serving. It reminds us of the fine line between confidence and conceit. Subscribe.